Here we go with step 5D, sections 7 to 9 video. This is part of step 5, applying to the nursing program. And when we say sections 7 to 9, we mean sections from the merit-based criteria handout. Let's take a look at section 7. Section 7 is all about the ATI TEAS version 7 exam. The maximum points available are 30. To get 30 points, you need 95 to 100% on your ATI exam. Make sure to take version 7. Do not take any other version. The ATI exam is offered through ATI, and here is the link. When you get to the link, you go to TEAS, register for TEAS. CSM does not proctor, so your first or fourth option are available. First and fourth are available. If you want some student instructions or information about the TEAS exam, click on that link and you'll get to here. Upload an official TEAS version 7 score sheet. After taking the exam, go to this website to order an official TEAS score to be sent to the College of San Mateo Nursing Program. Do not have it sent to College of San Mateo. Have it sent to the College of San Mateo Nursing Program. So when you click on this link, it looks a little bit like this. You're going to add to cart and go ahead and purchase your TEAS transcript to be sent to the CSM nursing program. No more than 2 attempts are permitted. The better of the 2 scores will be accepted. And here's an example if you wish to see it. To be eligible for the program, you need a minimum score of 62% or higher on the TEAS exam in each area: English, math, and science. The exam must have been taken within the last 5 years. Section 8 of the criteria is personal insight questions. Total maximum points of 6. Up to 2 points can be awarded for each question. Here are the 3 questions. Each response is limited to a maximum of 500 words per question. Students who tend to earn full credit write pertinent and thoughtful content close to the maximum number of words. There is no right or wrong way to answer these questions. We're just trying to get to know you better. Applicants will complete all 3 questions in the online application during the application period. All right, let's go to our last section of the merit-based criteria, section 9. It's called Tally Up Your Points. You'll notice there are no points associated with this section. However, it is a tool that applicants may find helpful in organizing their thoughts. So let me take you to this merit-based criteria handout applicant worksheet. What a mouthful. Okay, let's close up some of these tabs here. Okay, so here's how it looks like. You would put your name and all that. This looks very similar to your merit-based criteria, right? All right, let's give it a try. Let's download it as an Excel. And then you'll want to enable editing. The formatting looks a little funny, but if you want to change, you just kind of hover there and pull it down a little bit. All right, first name, Donald. Second name, Duck. Email address, Duck at whatever. Phone number, expected merit points. We'll fill that out in a second. So you notice some of the lines are a little weird. So if you want to pull it down a little bit, if you want to, if it helps you. So let's say someone has a bachelor's degree, BS from UC Davis. I'm going to hover and just left click and pull down so I can see it a little bit. All right, let's say I'm an LVN. I get 6 points. I also have work experience. I get 4 points. All right, GPA here. Remember for this section 3 here, it has 3 parts. One is for the bio courses, one is for the non-bio courses, and one is for kind of those optional courses. So let's take a look at the bio courses first, 3A here. Put GPA, and then on my computer, to get to the next line, it's Alt and Enter. If you want to learn how to stay in the same cell in Excel, go ahead and Google it. It might be Control Enter, it might be Alt Enter. All right, so anatomy, micro, physio. This is going to be helpful for that admissions committee. Anatomy, let's say I got an A at UC Davis. Micro, let's say I got a B at USF. Let's say I got a C at CSM. All right. So you're probably wondering, Melinda, how am I supposed to figure out the GPA? Okay, we're going to figure this out. We're going to go the GPA calculator is helpful in calculating your bio and non-bio prereqs. When you click on it, it'll take you to a Loney site. So let's say, what did I say? We got an A. We got an A in one of the courses. We got a B in another. And we got a C in another. And this is an example. I don't know if they're on semester or units, but I'm just going to put semesters for now. And then I'm going to put in the number of units each course was. 4, 4, and 4. You'll see it on your transcripts, how many units your course was worth. And then you scroll down and you put calculate GPA. And the GPA would be a 3. Does everyone see that? 3. So GPA is 3.0. So I look on this chart right here. If you don't want to do all this like moving line stuff, you could go back to the regular merit-based Google Doc. It does take some skill. .0, 16 points. So I put 16 points. And I'm going to do the same for the non-bio as well. Let's say I did really well. I got 7 points. And let's say I took 2 of those optional courses. I get 2 points. So this step right here is important because some people take their prereqs all around the world or all around California, and it's challenging for the committee to be searching. So if you could tell us what you did where, that would be so helpful. Same thing for non-bio prereqs. All right, so for section 4, let's say I'm disabled. I would put 2 right there. I'm going to make sure I put up the supporting documents. I'm not a veteran, so I'll put 0. I don't speak anything besides English. And for my ATI, I did amazing. I got 30 points. Personal insight questions, I wrote all 3 essays, and they were really super good. So I'm going to give myself 6. And here's the fantastic part. Let me scroll up. I'm going to click right here on D up here, and then you can see my sum of 78. So that's my total. So I'm going to say my expected merit points is 78. And you're probably wondering, Melinda, what's the average of people who get in? It really depends. If you get like 60 or 70, that's a pretty good score, but it really depends on the strength of the applicant pool. So if a lot of people have 80s, 90s, and 100s, then 60s and 70s might not be that great. But if everyone's hovering kind of around 60 to 90, then it might be pretty good. So it all depends on the strength of the applicant pool. So then after I do this, I'm going to download. I save it. you save it and then you upload it to the application as an Excel document. All right, let's see. So download this document in Excel and try to tally up your points. Just try your best, no big deal. The committee is going to be looking at your application, but it's nice to see what you think you get. Upload it in the application portal under supporting documents in Excel format. Use this doc to confirm the information you entered in your application. Here's the GPA calculator. And here's an example. So let's take a look at the example. You'll notice the example's on tab 2. The actual sheet's on tab 1. Example 2. Okay, so here's John Doe. Yep. Good, good, good. Let's see what else there is. Total merit-based points, 113. Remember, if you need any help, please reach out to us. And I want to thank you for considering the CSM nursing program to be your home. We hope to see you soon. Take care.